Hey, welcome to my game PowerPoint Mastery Review. Today, I'm going to show you how you can create and sell interactive PowerPoint games without any coding or expensive software. And here's the best part. You don't need advanced design skills or months of trial and error. Just follow the step-by-step training. Use Canva for visuals and PowerPoint for interactive features, and you're good to go. Make sure to stick around because I'll also break down all the upgrades, OTOs, so you know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new here, welcome. I've spent the last 6 years mastering affiliate marketing, and I'm here to help you find the best strategies and tools. If that's something you're interested in, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell notification so you never miss an update. And here's a special bonus. I've put together some amazing extras you'll get only through my link below. These will help you maximize your results with Game PowerPoint Mastery, so check the description before they're gone. So, what is Game PowerPoint Mastery? Game PowerPoint Mastery is a step-by-step training course that teaches you how to create interactive PowerPoint games using animations, triggers, and smart navigation without writing a single line of code. This course is perfect for educators and trainers, make learning fun and interactive content creators, sell digital games on Etsy, Gumroad, or teachers pay teachers entrepreneurs. Use interactive games as lead magnets or digital products. No coding, no problem. The course walks you through everything, from designing game interfaces in Canva to creating engaging game logic inside PowerPoint. And just to be clear, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Game PowerPoint Mastery gives you the tools and training, but your success depends on how you use them. If you're willing to put in the effort, this can be a game changer. Standout features that caught my eye: easy game creation. Just follow the training and start creating interactive PowerPoint games. Canva integration. Design game interfaces, characters, and backgrounds with ease. Multiple game types, quizzes, puzzles, word guessing games, matching games, and more. Perfect for digital product sellers.
Word guessing games,
monetize your
matching
games on
and more.
Etsy,
Perfect for
Gumroad,
digital
or
product
teachers
sellers.
pay teachers.
Monetize your
Ready
games
to use
on
templates.
Etsy, Gumroad,
No idea
or
where to
teachers
start.
pay teachers.
Use
Ready
the
to use
included
templates.
6
No
PowerPoint
idea where
game
to start.
templates.
Use
How
the
it
included
works.
6 PowerPoint
Super
game
simple.
templates. How
One
it
log
works.
in and
Super
start
simple.
learning.
One
Follow
log
the
in
video
and start learning.
tutorials step
Follow
by
the
step.
video tutorials
To
step
design
by
your
step.
game.
To design
Use
your
PowerPoint
game.
and
Use
Canva to
PowerPoint and
create
Canva to
stunning
create
visuals.
stunning visuals.
3. Apply animations and triggers.
Add
Add
interactive elements. Smooth transitions
and game logic.
4. Save and sell your game.
Save and sell
Use
your
it for
game.
your own projects
Use
or
it
sell
for
it
your
as a
own
digital
projects,
product.
or sell it
No
as a
technical
digital
skills
product.
needed. Just follow
No
the training
technical
and you're
skills
good to
needed.
go.
Just
Let
follow
me
the
quickly
training
show you a
and
demo
you're
so
good
you
to
can
go.
see it in action.
Let me quickly show you
Upgrades,
a demo so you
OTOs.
can see
What's
it in
available?
action.
Once
Before diving into the Game PowerPoint Mastery course, let's take a look at the current market landscape. The PowerPoint game niche on YouTube is a rapidly growing market where creators showcase interactive games built entirely in PowerPoint, captivating educators, students, and casual gamers who enjoy creativity without coding. Other expanding markets include edutainment, digital design, gamification in education, and DIY game development, each providing unique opportunities for content creators to engage and grow their audience. Beyond YouTube, TikTok is also a powerful platform where short-form videos featuring game demos, quick tutorials, and behind-the-scenes content have high viral potential. What will you learn in this course? 1. Introduction to PowerPoint games. Overview of interactive PowerPoint games and their potential. How to use link action to create navigation and interactions. Understanding animation, trigger to make objects respond dynamically. Naming objects correctly to ensure smooth functionality. Step-by-step process for designing an engaging interactive game. 2. How to generate ideas and write a game script. Methods to brainstorm creative game ideas. Structuring a game script for an engaging player experience. Tips for designing compelling storylines, challenges, and objectives. 3. Designing the game interface with Canva. Utilizing Canva's extensive resource library to create professional backgrounds. Designing characters, icons, and game elements for a polished look. customizing fonts, colors, and themes for a cohesive design, exporting assets from Canva and integrating them into PowerPoint. 4. Using Link. Action for seamless navigation. 5. Controlling objects with animation. Trigger. 6. Tips for creating smooth page transitions. Before creating your own PowerPoint games, let's explore some amazing examples. These interactive games highlight PowerPoint's potential with smooth animations, seamless navigation, and engaging gameplay. Watch, get inspired, and imagine the possibilities for your own projects.
Upgrades, OTOs. What's available? Once you grab the main course, you'll see some upgrade options. Here's a quick rundown. Game PowerPoint Mastery, FE. $27, 60%. Full training course with 6 PowerPoint game templates, learn animations, triggers, and game navigation Canva integration for professional game design. Extra bonuses included. OTO bump, $4.95, 50%. 100 extra PowerPoint and Canva backgrounds. Game PowerPoint Mastery, PRO, $37, 50%. Learn advanced game creation with voiceovers and sound effects. Create quizzes with correct-incorrect feedback. Design time games to increase engagement includes 10 additional PowerPoint game templates, auto bump. $7.95, 50%. 150 extra PowerPoint and Canva backgrounds. One-on-one coaching, $49.95, 20%. Get direct coaching to apply strategies faster. Step-by-step guidance to avoid mistakes. 1 month commitment to ensure you see results. Pick the ones that fit your needs and skip the rest. What I love about Game. PowerPoint Mastery. Beginner friendly, no coding required. Saves time. Pre-made templates and Canva designs make game creation easy. Multiple ways to profit. Sell games, use them as bonuses, or engage your audience. What could be better? Requires PowerPoint and Canva, but the free versions work fine. Learning curve if you've never used PowerPoint animations before. Final verdict, should you get it? If you want to create interactive games for fun, education, or profit, Game PowerPoint Mastery is 100% worth it. It's a low-cost investment with huge potential, especially if you are selling digital products on Etsy, Gumroad, or Teachers Pay Teachers. Grab it using my link below to get all my exclusive bonuses inside Warrior Plus. 95% off right now, just $27. Insert affiliate link. Thanks for checking out my Game PowerPoint Mastery review. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.